Hi guys, we're going to start something new today in math. We are going to be doing another thing in measurement, but it's going to be the measurement of time. And today we're going to be learning about o'clocks. Okay, so o'clock is a time. You've probably heard mommy and daddy say it. You've heard me say it a million times. It's 3 o'clock, it's 2 o'clock, it's almost 5 o'clock. O'clock can be written in two ways. Okay, you can either write the word o'clock and you would put the number in front of it. For instance, 3 o'clock, or you can also write it with 2 dots and 2 zeros. Okay, and I would put the 3 here. Okay, so 3 o'clock. It's not really that complicated. Okay, but telling it on the time on the actual clock might be. So we're going to practice that next. Okay, so let me see if I can get this to balance. Perfect. Now, when you are doing an o'clock, okay, the big hand, or the what we call the minute hand, is always on the 12. Okay, so we have our longer hand going up on the 12. Okay, that's how we know it is something o'clock. Okay, if the big hand is on the 12, it is something o'clock. Now what we do is we look at the little hand to find out which o'clock it is. So if the little hand was doing this, what o'clock would it be? That's right, this would be 8 o'clock. Okay, now what if this was doing this? That would be 3 o'clock. That's right, so this would become a 3. It would be 3 o'clock. What if the little hand was doing this? That's right, this would be 10 o'clock, okay? So the o'clocks tend not to be that complicated, okay? The o'clocks are not that complicated. If the big hand is pointing at the 12, you know it is an o'clock, okay? Then you just look at the little hand and it will tell you which o'clock it is. So what you're going to do for me today, these a little bit bigger, I'm going to give you a couple of sheets that have pictures of clocks on them with a time on them, with an o'clock on them. And you're going to figure out which o'clock it is. And then underneath the clock, you're going to write the o'clock properly. Okay, you're going to write it properly with the 2 dots and the 2 zeros. If you would like to write them like this, you can. It's a lot more work. But I want you to do at least some of them like this, because this is the kind of time you're going to see when you're looking at your microwave, your stove, your phone, the one in the car are usually like this. They're digital times. They don't have words. So if you want to do a few like this, go ahead, but I want them done like this. Okay, so you're going to look at the clock. The clock's going to give you a time. You're going to write the time, fill it in, and then submit everything back to me. Simple enough? Okay, see you later. Bye.